I like to hit it some Viper Coil Clean before I hit it with my brush. That back end, the reason this is happening is it's being filtered right here. Probably often never even checked. That filter was filthy when I looked at it. So we're gonna add a filter rack so we can change the filters out here. Foam her up, get that good stuff on her. Oh yeah. Chris Hayes pays for this, so I ain't being cheap with it. If I was paying for it, I don't know if I would spray it the way I spray it. It's coming out of Chris Hayes' pocket. I like that. I like that. Alright. I know this says non-rinse, but that's crazy. We're gonna rinse it off anyways. First, I'm gonna get in there with my brush. Just like so. Is that us? That is us. Turn this guy off. What are we doing? What are we doing?